Hi guys, Jasmine here. Welcome to Jazz Journey. Today we're going to be going over some spoilers for Boxycharm. Actually, we're going to be going over base, premium, and Boxyluxe. So that means that all these spoilers are going to be for the month of June. So we have a little less than 15 spoilers total just for 1 month. I'm going to try to go in order from the base, premium, and Boxyluxe. But at the end of the video, I want to share some important dates for you to know so you don't miss out, like Choice Day and also when those special stores are open. So the first one we're going to talk about is base box, and this was going to be the choice item. I'm excited because these choice items are going to be some palettes for you to choose from. And the good thing is these are brands that we already know, we have seen in the box before. And the first one is Eloise Beauty. We have seen that brand also from a palette previously, but this one is such a pretty palette. This one is called Sahara Nights Eyeshadow Palette. And based on the picture, I'm going to show you a quick video with one of the swatch. It looks like it's all shimmer, so it's all a lot of shimmer, a lot of shine. But just from one tone alone, you guys could get to see the pigmentation, how deep intense that swatch is. So the next one is going to be Violet Voss. So this was like my go-to palette for such a long time. Then we got the Essentials, the second one, which are more cool tones. So pretty. Guys, this one surprised me with the pigmentation and the colors, because some of the colors I never really had. And this one is that those olive tones. And this is a smaller palette that I got, and I love those tones as well. So I can imagine the second one or the next palette that we might be getting from Violet Voss. So since we don't have how that palette look like, it's called Sunkissed Summer Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigment Palette from Violet Voss. I just wanted to show you some of the palettes we have received in the past, and they are really good ones. So I just can't even imagine how the next one is going to be. It's just going to make it even harder to choose if you have the base box. So now let's go ahead and move on to the premium box. As you know, we get to choose 2 different products, and the first choice, we're going to have 2 products to choose from. So the first item is from Persona Cosmetics. It's called Swipe Up Brow Gel. It's pretty interesting. We have seen this brand before, but if you have seen my unboxing, I was not impressed with the other brow gel that we received. So I don't know what to think, but looking at the videos, looking at the way it looks, it does seem pretty good. I don't know. I'm still looking for that one that is going to make my brows a lot easier. So, but then again, the good thing is that this one is a choice item. If you have seen it, tried it, let me know in the comment section. But I don't know, maybe this one might be the one. So yeah, this is from Persona Cosmetics, and this is Swipe Up Brow Gel. So this is the first choice item. The next one is a brand that I love, which is making it even harder because it's from Dominique Cosmetics, and this one is Silk Tone Cream Blush. I love the blush that we just got from Natasha Denona. That is really, really pretty, but this one is a cream one. And I've been looking for a cream blush for a while. So yeah, guys, these 2 choice items just for the premium box is making it a little challenging. Let me know if you already know what you want to select, if these are the 2 choice items, in the comment section. So now we're going to go ahead and move on to choice number 2. So far we've seen a lot of makeup, but I think we're going to start moving more into skincare, and that is going to be choice number 2. It's going to start with Chorus Santorini Grape Poreless Skin Cream. This is a cream, and not long ago we received some people received the serum. If you really like that product and you saw some great results, I think pairing it with the cream is just going to make it even better. So if that was you, let me know in the comment section, and maybe this is something that you might try instead. I wanted to put a little bit more information about this product so that way it can make it easier when choice date happen. But in case you want to try another type of skincare and you don't want to try the Santorini Grape Poreless Skin, the second product mentioned is Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I have this serum, as you can see, is almost halfway. And even though I have an extremely sensitive skin, my skin is very oily. I just love how much it has been hydrating my skin. It truly is. Just with a little bit, it truly plumped my skin. It truly feels hydrated, and I needed that because a lot of the products and what happened to my skin it damaged the skin barrier, and this is one of those products that is really helping my skin. So I really love that from Glow Recipe. The third product is from Ren Skincare. This is Ren Clean Skincare Radiance Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. I received this, I think it was last month, or no, it was in Boxyluxe. And I also wanted to include some of the claims that this has. And I'm not a fan too much of eye cream. I have tested so many. We have received so many in the boxes before, but this one is one that I still go to. I believe I received this in March, and I'm still using this product. I love applying this in my eye area, so I love that. So guys, those were the spoilers or the choice items for premium. So let's go ahead and move on to Boxyluxe Spoilers. This one, I cannot say they're going to be choice item, but so far we believe that these are going to be items that we're going to be seeing in the box, and maybe hopefully soon we'll be able to know if any of these are going to be a spoiler. So this is Beauty Bakery. One of them is Cotton Candy Champagne Blush Palettes. I want to pause a little bit because I want to show you guys some of the items we have received in the box, and I think this is just going to make it even better to grow our collection. Guys, I am so excited that we are going to get probably a variation. It's not confirmed yet, but at least they're letting us know that for the month of June, we might be getting products from Beauty Bakeries. And I love we're going to be able to grow our collection. This was one of the first palettes, and it was my go-to palette. This palette usually is in my car because I love the tones and I feel like I could use it every day. I also love that we have a highlighting palette. Look how pretty this is, Milk and Honey. And recently we just got this palette, Sour You Doing, from Beauty Bakeries. So yeah, so now there's a spoiler from Beauty Bakeries, and it's going to be a blush palette. So yeah, I'm loving that we're going to be able to grow our collection. I feel like this is the first time in a long time that I'm excited for Boxyluxe just with these spoilers alone. Now we have Rare Beauty. We received Rare Beauty, I believe, the first time in Boxyluxe. And here's another palette. This one's called Discovery Eyeshadow Palette, came to play. And it's so exciting to see the way the eyeshadows are, the pan. So I wonder if it makes it even easier to apply it on the strokes with the brush. So this one is interesting. I hope I do get that. Then we have a mask. And this one's from Dew of the Gods Fiji Collagen Whipped Vitamin Mask. I love that it says the claims that are collagen, but also that it has vitamin. It's a mask. It's a great way to pamper your skin. And I wanted to share more information or more claims that I found for this, just to make it easier in case this is one of the choice items. You are a little bit more prepared to make your decision. But there is another great product, another great brand, Elemis Superfood Midnight Facial. This is a nourishing sleeping mask. I love sleeping masks. I feel it's like the cherry on top at night. I don't know if you guys like to pamper yourself more in the morning, if your skincare routine in the morning is more intense, or if it's at night. For me, it's at night. I feel like it works so much better in my skin, and I love that it has so many great ingredients even on this product. So another great item that we could expect in Boxyluxe, maybe a variation. And the other cream moisturizer that we have is from Huda Beauty, or Wishful Honey Balm Niacinamide Moisturizer.
So you guys have been seeing us talk about honey. Why has there been so much honey? Yes, we love honey. Honey is amazing for your skin. It does so many beautiful things, but what is this about? Our Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer is the first of its kind. There is nothing like this. It is so special. It's packed full of amazing ingredients. This has literally got rid of people's dry spots. Their skin looks more radiant, more beautiful. It works on every skin tone. I'll show you guys the texture, but let me tell you, the thing that I love so much about this, oh my God, you guys are gonna love this. Look at this. Do you see that whipped deliciousness? And there is a beautiful concentration of mica inside of this that gives you this luminosity, but it also has the benefits of like the long-term benefits because of all the amazing ingredients. So we have lavender, turmeric, niacinamide, all of these things together, literally, it just gives you the most beautiful skin.
Well, I am a little shocked to see this here because we have received this in the past, but it's a product that I do love and enjoy, and I'm already running out, so I don't mind seeing it again. But there is a product that I want to share with you guys. It's not confirmed. It's a video that we've seen, and I feel like it's just letting us know maybe for June. So let's go ahead and watch.
So I'm trying on a few products here in the office, and right now I have on the Too Faced Lip Injections Maximum Plump. Oh my gosh, my lips are so juicy right now. So let me know, do you want this in your box?
And here I have with me the dual liquid eyeliner from Chella Beauty, and let me tell you something, it's blue and black. This is gorgeous. Let us know which one do you want to get out of these two products.
So I just had to share that information just for you guys to know, in case, be on the lookout in case we get that in June or maybe in May, we don't know. So I want to put here the dates for you guys to know there's different sales happening, choices coming up soon, and also mega drop shop. This is a good time to buy certain things, especially for Mother's Day that is coming. And you do save a lot when you buy at Boxycharm. So guys, I appreciate you spending some of your time with me. Let me know what you guys think. If you are enjoying some of the changes, I feel like some of the products that I mentioned that we might be expecting for Base, Premium, and Boxyluxe. So thank you guys for spending some time, and until the next video, bye.